Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to this series of understanding the basics of HTML. So in this video, I just want to discuss three things: comments, formatting, as well as quotation. What I want to do here is get rid of this styling. Here and leave this div as it is, as well as the styling here. Okay, what do I do now? Just the coloring that I want to go away with. I don't need too many colors, as well as this one. Let's just have a plain white background. Okay, cool. So first things first. So comments are essentially blocks of code that help you document your HTML source code. They're not necessarily being executed and displayed on the browser. So you just help document your source code. So it would be something like, this is where we sign up the user, so that you will know that in this section this is exactly what you're doing. So they don't get to be executed here. They help you with the documentation within this source code. So this is what comments do. Normally you will use them if you don't need to use this element before. You just go ahead and do this, and you'll see that this element does not appear. That's essentially comments in a nutshell. So the other thing that I want to discuss is formatting your text. So in most cases, you just want your text to have a bit of a meaning to it. You can have something like this, say you can have a paragraph here. Alright. Let me just copy a text that I just downloaded. You can have a paragraph like this one. Alright. This would be your paragraph, but you want to add more meaning to this paragraph, and what you can do is you'd add a bold tag to it to show that I'm really serious, or whatever. I don't know what bold means, but it adds a bit more emphasis to what the user is saying. So this is bold. As you can see, this is now bolded. You can also italize. You are welcome to italize. bold, this is italize. What did I do wrong here? Okay, cool. So you can italize, you can show that the text was deleted. You can also come in and say, you know what, let me just do another paragraph here and say, perhaps what I want to do is you would say X and you would put a sub x squared plus 2x plus 9. I said sub with a P, not B. We can do this, right? And maybe the last one that you can do is this one, and let's do a hydrochloric acid, and you say sub H2 SO, and you add a sub to it, 4, and then you try and see. So this is chemical reaction, and this is a math formula. So this is how we can format text. And then the last thing that we should look at is the actual quotation. So if you just go down here a bit, go to the end, just below our math problem and chemical thingy there. So what we want to do, let's take the same text and say within this lorem ipsum, we now trying to say block code, there's a block code, and you will see why it's a block code, the appearance of which it will tell you. Even if when you look at the position there, it tells you that this is a block code and it can be cited from wherever. So let's cite from Google and say HTTPS google.com. So HTTP to, yeah. So this citation shows you that it is cited from Google, and what you can do again is for a citation, a shorter one, you can do this to show that you're creating a short citation. you use the Q element, Q, and instead of the whole lorem ipsum, maybe you can take it up until here. This is also a citation. You can see it's inside these inverted commas. So this is another part on quotation. The one last thing that we can try and do and look at is, let's go ahead here and let's look at the address tag. We can try and do this and see written by Donald J. Trump. I love Trump, by the way. BR visit us at BR tag. Example.com. Keep on adding the BR tag to break from this, and then the box 555 Washington DC, and then BR tag USA, BR tag and 222. I don't know what that is. Cool. So this would imply that you can even show it here. So let's just break away from this and create a BR. And you will see that the formatting of the text itself, it shows you that this is not the same as other text, and this indicates that it's an address. If you could let me just do this because it's not breaking. Put it inside a paragraph. Cool. So this is your address. This is your short quotation. This is your short quotation. This is your long quotation. Normally, this you would specify or say this person was saying this, but with this one on the quotation, I think somebody automatically can see that you're quoting somebody. And this, I was trying to show you the format of several texts. And to close it off, we also spoke of comments, which are blocks of code that help you document your HTML source code. They're not really displayed on the HTML page itself. So yeah, that's it on quotation, formatting, as well as comments. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was beneficial to you. And please, guys, do like, comment, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and keep me motivated to do these kinds of videos. Thank you, guys. See you again on the next video. Bye for now.